Do you have an older PC that doesn't meet Windows 11's requirements? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 officially, even on unsupported hardware, quickly and safely. Yes. First, make sure your system is working fine with Windows 10 and has at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. Even though TPM 2.0 or Secure Boot isn't required for this method, your hardware should still be stable. Next, we'll bypass the hardware checks. Open Notepad and paste a few registry lines that tell Windows Setup to ignore TPM, CPU, and Secure Boot checks. Registry, modify the registry to bypass the TPM 2.0 and CPU family/model checks. Open Registry Editor and navigate to HKEY _LOCAL _MACHINE /SYSTEM /SETUP /MOSETUP. Create a new DOORD 32-bit value named Allow Upgrades with Unsupported TPM or CPU. Set its value to 1. You can also use script, save the file as enable unsupported TPM or CPU.reg and double-click it to add it to your registry. These steps are safe and officially supported. Even Microsoft mentions this method in their documentation. Now, download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft's website, mount it, and make a note of the drive. For example, in my case, it's D:. Open the command prompt, right-click and run as administrator. Type your mount drive and hit enter. Now, once you see your drive type, setup.exe/product server/compat. Ignore warning /migrate drivers all. It will start Windows Server, but don't worry, it will install Windows 11 only. Thank you for watching. Here are some helpful links. Microsoft help page, https learn microsoft.com NUS answers questions 2 121461 install Windows 11 without secure boot on an unsup. Register editor script link https://github.com/deepaklohia/misc